Survey Junkie sends more surveys to accounts with complete profiles, and that one setup step changes how many invites you get. By the end of this, you'll know how to increase survey volume, qualify more often, and stop getting stuck with empty dashboards. The short answer is simple. Survey Junkie gives more opportunities to users it can match faster. That starts with your profile. First, fill out every profile question. This is the biggest filter. Survey Junkie matches surveys based on age, income, job type, shopping habits, household size, and location. If those fields are blank, you get fewer matches because advertisers can't target you. Go into your profile settings and complete every category, even the optional ones. Then keep them updated. If your job changes or your household changes, update it. Old data lowers your match rate. Second, log in more often. Survey inventory changes all day. A lot of users check once, see nothing, and leave. That's a mistake. Check in the morning, afternoon, and evening. New surveys can appear and disappear fast. The first users usually get the best shot before quotas fill. That matters because many surveys close after hitting participant limits. Third, answer screener questions consistently. This is where people accidentally reduce future invites. If you say you're a full-time student on one survey and a retired worker on another, that mismatch can hurt your profile trust. Keep answers honest and consistent. Survey platforms track patterns. Fast clicking hurts too. If you rush through surveys in 2 minutes that normally take 10, some systems flag low-quality responses. That can reduce future survey access. Take your time. Fourth, enable email notifications. Some of the better-paying surveys hit email before they show in the app dashboard. If you catch them early, you get in before the quota fills. Also check for product testing and focus group offers. These show up less often, but they usually pay more than standard surveys. They're easy to miss if you ignore account alerts. One thing to avoid: creating multiple accounts. That can trigger account reviews or bans, and it kills your earnings completely. So here's the simple breakdown. Complete your profile fully. Check the app multiple times a day. Stay consistent with answers. Turn on notifications. Watch for premium offers. Your next step is easy. Spend 10 minutes today cleaning up your Survey Junkie profile and turning on alerts. That alone can increase how many surveys you actually see. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more payout app strategies.